In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline project management in Monday.com. We'll cover everything you need to set up a robust project management system in less than 5 minutes, helping you organize your tasks efficiently and effectively. First, let's head over to Monday.com to get started. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and type in Monday.com. This site is where all the magic will happen. It's our platform for managing projects with ease. Once you're on the page, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and give that a click. This will take you to the login page where you can securely access your account details. After clicking Login, you'll notice the option to sign in using Google. If you're like many users who prefer to manage fewer passwords, this is a great convenience. Click on Google and select the right Google account associated with your Monday.com project. This seamless integration ensures that your login process is quick and hassle-free, keeping everything tied to your Google ecosystem. Once logged in, it's time to set up our project management board. Look for the plus icon generally visible in your main dashboard area. Clicking this icon will give us the option to add a board, which is essentially a workspace where all our project tasks and collaborations will take place. Now, with our board ready to be personalized, let's extend Monday.com's functionality by heading over to the Template Center. The Template Center is a real gem. By selecting this, you'll have access to a variety of predefined boards that can save you time. Here, look for the Project Management tab. It will guide you to the specific templates tailored for managing projects. As you browse through, notice the Agile Project Management template. This is an excellent choice if your projects require flexibility and iterative planning, which is the cornerstone of Agile methodology. Once you've chosen the Agile Project Management template, click on Use Template. This action essentially imports the template into your board, ready for customization. You can now modify it to suit the specific needs of your project. As you explore your new board, you'll notice it's packed with features like task assignments, timelines, and customizable columns, all designed to streamline your workflow. Lastly, remember to return to the Template Center whenever you need a fresh start or additional templates. It's always there as a resourceful hub, providing numerous options for different project types. With these steps, you're not just setting up a project, you're building an efficient project management ecosystem that saves time, boosts productivity, and ultimately helps your team achieve their goals with precision. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've streamlined project management using Monday.com. Be sure to explore more and tailor your board as your project evolves. Thanks for joining today, and happy project managing.